When the indoor unit displays E1, that indicates indoor or outdoor unit's communication error. This failure could be caused by inappropriate wiring or main PCB error. Note: there are two kinds of communication: Midea's 485 communication and Midea's current loop communication. Most of Midea's light commercial inverter air conditioners adopt Midea's 485 communication. Malfunction decision conditions. Indoor unit does not receive the feedback from outdoor unit during 110 seconds, and this condition happens 4 times continuously. Shut the power off, then turn the unit on 2 minutes later. Measure the voltage between N and S of outdoor unit. Select voltage DC position, then connect the red pin of multimeter to N ports, the black pin to S port. If the AC is operating normally, the voltage is moving alternately as positive values and negative values. If the voltage has always been the positive value, possible malfunction may be occurred on the outdoor unit. Main attention should be paid to the outdoor unit. Check the wiring of the outdoor unit, which includes the power wires and the connecting wires between the indoor and the outdoor unit. Check the wiring of L, N, S of the outdoor PCB. Check if the wiring of the electric reactors of the outdoor unit is well connected. Measure the resistance value of the reactor. The normal resistance value should be within the range of 0 to 1 ohm. If not, replace the reactor. If the error still exists after the maintenance procedure above, replace the outdoor PCB. If the error still exists, replace the indoor PCB. If the voltage is a fixed value, possible malfunction should have occurred on the indoor unit. Main attention should be paid for the indoor unit. Check the wiring of the indoor unit, which includes the power wires and the connecting wires between indoor and outdoor units. Check the wiring of L, N, S of the indoor PCB. If the error still exists after the maintenance above, replace the indoor PCB. If error still exists, replace the outdoor PCB.